Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious carne enchilada. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 3 pounds of thin sliced beef or pork. I'm using ranchera. 7 chile guajillo or New Mexico chile pods. 2 chile ancho, chile de árbol, a half of a small white onion, 5 garlic cloves, 5 bay leaves, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, a half of achiote paste, a half a teaspoon of cloves, a half a teaspoon of whole cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of whole black pepper, and salt. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to begin by removing the stem and the seeds from all of our chiles. Then we're going to give them a quick rinse and we're going to place them in a small saucepan. Alright, so now we're just going to cover our chiles with water. And now we're going to place it on our stove. Alright, so we're going to set it on high heat and we're just going to bring all of our chiles to a boil. Alright guys, so once our chiles come to a boil, we're going to turn it off, set them to the side, and allow them to cool down. Alright guys, so after 20 minutes, just drain the water from your chiles, and now we are ready to make our sauce. Alright guys, in a blender, we're going to crush all of our spices, our cinnamon, and bay leaves. And of course, you can do it in your blender or a molcajete. So just crush everything. Alright, so once we have everything crushed, we're going to add our achiote paste, our garlic cloves, our onion, our chiles, salt, and 1 cup of water. So now we're going to blend everything together until we have our chile paste. Alright, so once we have our chile paste, now we are ready to transfer it to our meat. Alright guys, so now we're going to grab our chile marinade and we're going to pour it in a bowl. Just rub it. And now we're going to dip our steaks and coat it with our marinade. Alright, of course, use gloves so you don't stain your hands. Now we're just going to make sure that all of our steaks are nice and coated with their marinade. Alright, so once we have our steaks all nice and coated with their marinade, we're going to cover them with plastic wrap. Alright, so now we're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it marinate overnight or at least 6 hours. Alright guys, so it is the next day, so now we are ready to cook our steaks. But make sure that you take it out 1 hour before, so like that it allows our meat to come to room temperature. Alright guys, so now we're going to grab our large frying pan or a comal and we're going to set it on medium heat. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're just going to wait for that to heat up. Alrighty guys, so once our oil is ready, we're going to grab our steak and we're going to fry it for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. So after 3 minutes, we're going to flip our steak over. And guys, so after 3 minutes, our steak is done. So just make sure you check it. And now we're going to set it over here and let it rest for 5 minutes. And now we're just going to repeat the same process to all of our steaks. Alrighty guys, so once we have our steak ready, now you can plate it like how I have it here with some rice, beans, guacamole, and tomatillo salsa. Or you can chop your steak and make it into burritos, tacos, you name it. But now we are ready to enjoy our delicious carne enchilada. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. I am so ready. And of course, you know, if you want to take your barbecue to a whole new level, you can grill it outside. But let me tell you that this carne is just perfect. Let me grab. I don't want this so watery. So enjoy. Seriously, super delicious, so flavorful. It's just seriously the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it at home. Make a delicious carne enchilada. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.